So we're going to get this ready for a string butler. This is the string butler. We're going to install it this way. And first thing we need to do is remove all the strings, because we're also going to install these HipShot locking tuners. These are a severe upgrade to these. There's a lot of tuning instability due to the small size of this guitar. So what I'm trying to do is make it to where that's the least of my problems. Just to be clear, these plastic washers go on first, so not to scratch your headstock. Then you lay this baby on. We have that centered up. We're going to put our strings back on. You want to line up your holes, because with these, we're going to pretty much pull these tight. Alright, so you pull it. You don't have to yank on it or anything, but you want to take the slack out of it. Then you just tighten this up. So what we're going to get is probably a 90-degree wind out of it. Maybe a little more. But that's it. You don't have all those winds, and that should make life a little bit easier. Okay, I would say that the string butler has made a difference. It's kind of difficult on a guitar of this size because every bend is like 3 times what it would normally be. So like everything has to be done on a smaller scale, obviously. Like when you play things, you have to be much more accurate. Although it does seem to be staying in tune better after a stretch. So it seems to work pretty well. I've supplied some links below if you're interested in this gizmo, where to purchase, what their home website is. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.